In this video, you will learn how to work with various objects in the GardenBox 3D program. Once you have created a plot, you can add buildings to the plan: houses, pergolas, greenhouses, and so on. You will also find a rich library of gardening elements such as flower beds, trees, and hedges. If you want to add waterworks to your plan, you'll find fountains, pools, and ponds. Add furniture to the plan, from chairs, benches, and tables to chaise lounges and more. The program also provides a selection of lampposts of different heights and shapes. To make your design look like a living place, go to the Other tab and add cars, swings, playgrounds, and other decor. As an example, let's add a house. Click on the Building button and select a suitable variant. Place the building in the desired location. If you want, you can change the size of the house by pulling the yellow square, or rotate it by grabbing the yellow circle. All other elements are added in the same way. You can see the result immediately in 3D mode. To set a specific size for an object, select it and go to the Properties tab. Let's change the height and width of the tree. Edit the size of the flower bed in the same way. Additionally, you can change the design of individual elements of an object. Let's change the appearance of the house. Select it, go to Properties, and choose another texture for walls. Other elements are editable in the same manner. That's how you can interact with objects in GardenBox 3D. Want to learn more about other features? Visit the website right now.